Hi friend, my name is Pushpendra Saini. Once again I came with a very interesting topic. In this tutorial I will tell you how you can scroll a view horizontally and in vertical shape. Means the title of this video is how you can use collection view inside the UI table view. So here is the output. Today we will design. This is actually a table view, okay? And inside the table view this is a collection view. So in this tutorial we will complete all these functionality with a very quick way. So let's begin with development and achieve our victory, okay? So guys, here I am creating one new project called as double collection. Click on next, create. So that's fine, this is my project. Okay, so first of all I will delete this storyboard because it is not required for us, and I'll delete this view controller file also. Now I'll start from beginning, okay? So first of all I'll take one table view controller. So here this is my table view controller. Now with this table view controller I will add one navigation controller. So this is my final table view controller. I'll change the background color as per our this background color, okay? So this will be green and title will be white, okay? And this is also white, and this background also will be green. So this is my first step. Now second step, I will create two cells inside my table view controller. So I'll select my table view and from here just tap 2 and hit enter. So here you can see two cell view inside your table view controller. So first cell is called as header, which is this one, okay? And this is just normal cell, okay? So now I have to create two files, one for this cell and another for table. So here I'll create two files, new file, and both file will be Coca Touch file. First is table view cell, which we will use for cell view, okay? Click on create. And second file table view controller, okay? This is table view controller. So that's fine, I have two files, so it's sufficient for me. Now I'll assign all the outlets of this one to my table view controller, and before assigning that I have to take one collection view inside my table cell. So just type collection, drag and drop inside your main class. So here I am not setting any constraint, okay? Constraint is not required for this example, okay? So this is my final output. Now what I have to do, I'll assign all the outlets of this one to my table view. So from here I'll select my table view cell, and from inside that I'll take this collection view and I'll assign here. First of all I have to set the class to this cell, and that will be table view, which class we have created, so this class will come here, okay? Now we can drag and drop this collection view called as collection view. Now it's done. I'll change the simulator from here, and now I will see the output of this one. So it's blank output, okay? Now here you can see this error because we did not assign the class to this one. So from here table view controller and ID also same, okay? One more thing, we delete the views, so we have to set as initial controller, okay? So make as is initial view controller, and now we can see the output. without this error. Here you can see this output is coming. Okay, now what we have to do, here will be my title, my victory. Okay, so this is my title. Now I'll go to my table view controller, and inside table view controller I'll delete this useless code from here to here, and this I will uncomment. Okay, fine. I'll also delete this one. So now I will create one model class. Okay, so class called as product. So this is okay. Now I'll create one for loop. First of all, I'll take here where list, that's fine. Now here for loop, this for loop we will use for setting the item inside the list. Okay, so I in 0 to 9, I plus 1. Okay, now inside that I'll take one more for loop for with j in 0 to 5, one more dot. Yeah, and this same I'm copy for that. Okay, and I'll replace this sub model, here also sub model, and this will be j, and this I will set list dot append. Okay, fine, and model, and this one will be model dot subproduct dot append submodel. Fine. Now you have your list with you. Now what you have to do, number of section means first for loop. So this will be list dot count. Now we have to take the view for section. Okay, view for header section. Now here we have to call our, I'm collapsing this, let cell equals to table view dot dq cell with identifier, and it is header as we give already, and this will be return cell with require, and this will be cell dot text. Now it's fine. Now here what we have to do, number of row in section, every section we require only single row, so it will return 1. Now here cell identifier is cell, and that's fine. Now I will open my main storyboard and I will check I have assigned the cell identifier or not. So here cell, and I'll give table height is 200. Okay, so after that I'm going to change the background color of this cell. Oh, this will be remain same. Okay, here I'll create one function which will configure our collection layout. Okay, here function configure, and same here will take parameter as items, type of list product. Okay, and outside I'll take one list, and the list will be same where list, here type of products, and this will be my list. So I'll assign the value list equals items. Okay, now I have to configure my collection view. So collection view dot delegate equals self, and collection view dot data source equals self. Now I'll create the delegate method for this one. So extension table view cell, collection view delegate UI collection view data source. Okay, these two delegate and data source method is required. Okay, so here I'll fix it, and here I'll return list dot count. Okay, number of item in section, and here this will be the cell. So let cell equals collection view dot dq cell with identifier. Here I'll pass cell and at index this one, and I'll return this cell. Now I'll change some background. This will be cell. Fine. Now cell dot content view dot background color equals dot system gray 6. Fine. Okay, fine. Now this is my final call for checking that it's working or not. So I'll see the, and that's output also will be the partial output. Okay, and nothing is showing, so I'm going to back to my table view controller, and here I'll see that, oh, it's my mistake over here. Open your main storyboard, and here we have to change the background color of this header, which is green. So now we can see the output. If I run it, so here header 1, header 2, header 3 is coming up to header 10. Okay, now we have to check our collection view. Okay, collection view is not there, so for collection view, open your table cell view. Here I'll create one more function which will be set layout. Okay, and here I'll set the flow layout to my collection view. Okay, so let flow layout equals dot horizontal. Now what we require, we want two items into the screen. Okay, so for that what we can do, flow layout dot item size equal to CZ size, and here we need to give width and height. Okay, so width self dot collection view dot frame dot width divide by 2 minus 10, and same is height. Okay, divide by 2 minus 10, and flow layout dot min line spacing equals 10, flow layout dot inter item spacing equals 10, and this function I'll call from set layout. Cell dot configure, here it will be as table view cell, and this will be configure with the item. So item will be list of index path dot section dot subproducts. Fine. Now we will see the output again. Now you can see it's showing here, but it's not as expected as we want that. So we need to do more work for that. So let's do open table view controller. Okay, and from here first of all I remove this print, and I forgot to set self dot collection view dot set collection view layout, and here I'll pass my flow layout with animation true. Fine. Now we'll see the output once again. Here you can see, guys, it's working as expected. If I reduce this minimum in line spacing, with 5, then you will see something more good. So here you can see it is as expected. Okay, so guys, it's working as expected. So thank you so much for watching the complete video. If you have any doubt in this video, please comment it to the comment box, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, because on my YouTube channel you will find lots of video which is related to Swift 5 programming language, and here you will find a couple of videos like how you can delete a database, how you can use SQLite database, how you can use UI search bar, country picker, OTP screen, onboarding screen, many things you will get here. So don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe and enjoy the coding. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Bye bye.